Hey everybody, it's Joe from the EllicottVillas in Ellicottville, New York, and I wanted to invite you to our next open house. When is it, you ask? Saturday, October 13th from noon to 4 o'clock. Here I'm at Unit 31, the Santos Villa. Follow me inside. It's coming up to October. You know what that means in Ellicottville? Great fall foliage. Behind me I have the hills of Hollymont and the beautiful landscape here in Ellicottville. But as far as what's going on, you know, Fall Fest, October 6th and 7th. Yes, it's a big party, but there's also a lot of great things going on in town. Vendors, Strictly Hip will be playing at Affinities, chairlift rides at Holiday Valley and Hollymont. So come on down to Ellicottville. See you soon.